In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new domain to your hosting account in Siteground, and we'll do it in just 5 minutes. This process is quick, straightforward, and essential if you're looking to expand your online presence through additional domains. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Siteground homepage. You can easily do this by typing world.siteground.com into your browser's address bar. Once you're on the Siteground homepage, look towards the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll see the login button. Give it a click. After clicking login, you'll be prompted to enter your Siteground account credentials. Type in your username and password, then hit enter to proceed into your account dashboard. Welcome to your control hub where all your Siteground services are managed. Now that you're logged into your account, direct your attention to the top menu bar and find the option labeled My Account, or simply My Siteground Account. Clicking this link will take you to your main account management area. Here you'll see an overview of all the services associated with your Siteground account. Next, look for a tab or menu option that says Services. Give that a click. The Services section is where Siteground lists all the various services you are currently subscribed to, like hosting, domains, and more. Once you've navigated to the Services section, locate and click on the Domains tab. This tab is crucial as it organizes all the domains you currently own under Siteground. This is the space where you can manage your existing domains or add new ones, which is exactly what we're looking to do. With the domains page open, you should see a button labeled Add New Domain. Click that button to move to the final step in this process. On the next page, you'll be asked to enter the details of the new domain you wish to add. Ensure you have the domain name ready and follow the prompts to complete the addition process. And that's it, you've successfully added a new domain to your hosting account in Siteground. This is a fantastic way to broaden your online horizons and ensure your web presence grows with your brand or project. Remember, if you ever need to manage, update, or remove domains, you can always return to the Domains tab under Services. I hope you found this guide simple and helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on managing your web hosting efficiently. Thank you for watching.